Hello, this is John of Art at another angle of Mount Sabrina here at General Santos City. Let's talk about another word in Ilonggo. We have this expression in Ilonggo called "tit mo." What is "tit mo"? You'd hear it often. "Tit mo," roughly translated, it means, well, because, just because, or I want it that way, but just just because. So, well, I don't think it's really literally just because, but something like that. When you say "Di mo," it's as if you're annoyed or you're dismissive about a topic. You're not really volunteering an answer. You don't feel very helpful. Di mo basically answers the question why. Like, why are you feeling like that? So if you can't explain what you're feeling and you're a bit annoyed and you don't want to get into the details of what you're feeling, you can just say rather dismissively, "Di mo." Alright, "Di mo." Amo gina siya. Amo gina siya. It means it's just that. Amo gina siya. Di mo. Amo gina siya. Maybe if you can pull that off, di mo, amo gina siya. Um, just because that's it. That's just about it. So, okay. This is John Wright. See you in the next video. Bye for now.